Hi guys, I'm back. I know I promised you that I would try to fit this Chinese carburetor within a couple of days, but I just haven't got around to it because it has been so cold. I didn't feel like doing anything out here. But we're gonna try to fit it today and see if we can start the international harvester. I still have the original carburetor here, but the funny part is the renovation kit came before I tried this cheap carburetor, and I got the acceleration pump here, so actually it's ready to be assembled and fitted back onto the car. But I'm still so curious to see how this will perform. So let's give it a shot and see if we can get the truck running. Okay, I hope you can see what I'm doing. Actually, I've got a new camera. I bought a GoPro to see if I could make some better videos. Before I just used my phone, and some of you were complaining about the quality of the video. So we're gonna try this. It's still wrapped up as when I got it. I'm not sure it's gonna fit 100%. It's I think the choke, this one, it should have been placed, yeah, over here, I think. But we can see that when we're gonna try to fit it on the truck. But there's something, this one, I think that's for the vacuum, for the ignition. And I think I can just take this out and replace it with this one. So we're gonna give it a shot. It came out nicely. I hope the threads are the same. I'm just gonna try carefully. Hey, it actually do fit. I don't remember if it pointed upwards or downwards, but well, we're gonna try to fit it. Okay, I hope the light is okay. One of the lights in the ceiling has just blown, so it's definitely not perfect, but I hope it's gonna work. Even though it feels quite alright, but it's still a bit more, I don't know, the metal feels lighter than the original one. Should be turning like this. It could be fun if it just was a simple fit and the truck would fire right up. I don't remember if I told you, but I actually drained all the old gasoline. It was around 1.5 years old, so just to be sure, I drained the tank completely and filled it up with new gasoline. I think I need this fuel copper from the old carburetor as well. I'm just gonna go and take that. Yeah, we need this. Let's hope that's just as easy. Does anyone know what we call this in Denmark? You can put your guess in the comments and I'll tell you the next time. Let's go back out with this one. Let's hope these threads match as well. Maybe I should give it. It has got some sealing of a kind, but actually it feels more like glue than sealer. But I don't think these threads. No, then. Oh, huh. Yeah, they're matching. There we go. And back there with you. This is this is almost too easy. And I don't know if I'm just the only one, but when things are too easy, they often turn out not to be that easy. But maybe this is the first time. If this is gonna work, none of you is gonna believe that this actually is the first time I'm gonna mount this carburetor. But it is. But of course, if it's gonna be a disaster, I don't have to tell you it's the first time, because yeah, then you know it's the first time. Just as I said, it was too easy. This one is working the opposite way. Of the one on the truck. Yeah, this is the original one, and it's moving that way from the bottom and up, and this one is moving away from the cable. I'm gonna try to take this off and see if I can make it point the other way, just like this one, and see if we can make it fit that way. There's this lock down here. It's the third one. I keep forgetting them now that the truck Let's see what's happening here. Came off pretty easy. But we don't have that many options because if I can get this one, we can only turn it or move it 180 degrees. Let's see if that could work. But again, this was actually pretty easy as well, so it's probably not gonna work. Normally I'm pretty optimistic about these things, but I don't know, maybe because of the price of this carburetor. Okay, back to the truck. This time I'm not gonna put the gas line and everything on before I've tested. I don't know if you can see anything here, but this one is too short. But if that's the only thing, then I'm not gonna give up yet. I'm just gonna find this, I don't know, connection rod. Just make that a bit longer and we should be okay. The cable for the choke, I think that's too short. Yeah. It's here, so that's not gonna work right now. But I think I can get, if I just can get a longer connection rod here, we should be okay. Hang on. Okay, I hope you can see something down here. I changed my mind because I'm not planning on using this carburetor. It's just for fun and nothing else. So why spend time making another connection rod here? So I just used a couple of zip ties. Actually looks pretty okay. And the choke, I'm not gonna waste any time trying to fit that. I can just give it a little choke from out here. And when the car is running, I can go back out here and push it back. So I put everything together. I just love that truck. The fuel line, and this, I think it's a vacuum line. So we should be ready to go. Not much light in here. I'm sorry about that. And now I'm thinking maybe the battery is drained because it has just been sitting here for, I don't know, a month and a half. But we're gonna give it a shot. I think I'm gonna try to put some gasoline directly in the carburetor. Easier said than done. Empty, empty. So now we're gonna go for a ride. It has shrunk. Just kidding. Let's give it a try. Now you need to wait 3 or 4 hours because the battery is dead. Or you're not gonna wait 3 or 4 hours, you're gonna be back in just 2 seconds. But I'm gonna wait 3 or 4 hours. That was anticlimactic, guys. It's actually the day after. I charged the battery yesterday. And then I went to check on the carb. And here it is. It was leaking gasoline everywhere. So yeah, I'm not gonna use it. I'm not gonna try anymore. I'm just gonna put the old carburetor back together with the new gaskets and the new pump, the new acceleration pump, and get the truck running with that. So if anyone wants a carburetor, just let me know in the comments and we're gonna figure something out. There's no warranty on this one, but maybe someone could use it. I'm not gonna charge anyone for it, so let me know. I'll be back as soon as I have put the old carburetor back together, and we're gonna try to start up the truck and hopefully take it for a spin this time. The weather has changed and the sun is out, and yeah, I would love to take a ride for it today, but maybe tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Seeing you. Bye.